I'm so excited about this video that I am creating today. We are doing a special with extensions, and I put some in specifically for these videos. So today I'm wearing some hand-tied hair extensions in my hair. So I'm going to show you how to curl your hair with some extensions in your hair. When I curl my hair, I do like to start off in the back section. I find this to be the best way to have an even section of curls. I am using a Beachwaver. If you haven't heard of one, it is a motorized curling iron. It does have a left and right switch, and all you do is push a button and it rolls the hair. Once you are done with one side, just push the button to the opposite direction and go ahead and start curling once again. I find this makes curling my hair really fast. Having hair extensions in your hair makes it slightly more difficult for separating, but aside from that, I feel like it's just like curling your own hair. So when you do your separations, make sure you are just grabbing a decent amount of the extension area before curling. When curling your hair with the Beachwaver, you do have the option of pushing the left and right button for the same side. If you do that, it'll create curls going in the opposite direction and will give it a more textured look. To create a softer curl, leave out about 2 to 3 inches of the very ends of the hair. This will also help not to create more split ends and cause heat damage to the ends of the hair. Once I'm done curling one side of the hair, I go ahead and push the button on my Beachwaver and switch to the other side. I find that doing one side makes it a lot easier and faster to do because I don't have to keep pushing the different buttons for the type of curl. Depending on how thick your hair is, you're going to take between 1 to 2 inches thick sections for curling. I'm doing about 1.5 inches section for each curl. When you are curling with hair extensions, you just want to make sure that you're not putting the hot tool close to the top section where the hair extension is attached to your hair. As you can see, when I curl my hair, I don't leave the curling iron in my hair for very long. I have my temperature set to about 350. I think that is the perfect temperature to hold it in my hair without overdoing it.
Want to keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Not sure who I really am, just be cute and super bland. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on, I'm not gonna need that song, hit it. Monday came and swept away all the fun of yesterdays. But I'm gonna hold it together, this ain't forever. Need a shot and then a beat, somewhere to let out some steam. I'm not the one to say never, never say never. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on, I'm not gonna need that song, hit it. Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on, I'm not gonna need that song, hit it. I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars.
When it comes to my bangs, I like to just softly round the curling iron myself versus pushing the button. You can also opt to use a flat iron for your bangs instead. To finish off the look, I like to use a wide tooth comb and just softly comb through my hair. I also need to be very careful not to comb the root section where the extensions are attached. When I'm all done combing, I like to fluff up my hair. It helps break up the curls a little bit more and gives it a more lived-in feel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps you curling your hair extensions. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.